Subscribe to my channel.
Shizuka Minamoto is a beloved character from the iconic Japanese manga and anime series Doraemon. Here's a brief description to help you bring her to life. Appearance: Shizuka is a sweet and gentle girl with a kind face. Her design is simple yet endearing. She has short black hair that frames her face, often tied with a red ribbon. Her eyes are large and expressive, reflecting her innocence and curiosity. Shizuka typically wears a pink or light blue dress, and she always looks neat and tidy. Personality: Shizuka is known for her calm demeanor and caring nature. She's the voice of reason among her friends. She enjoys reading, gardening, and spending time with her friends. Shizuka is also a bit shy, which adds to her charm. Role in the series: as one of the main characters, Shizuka is often seen interacting with Doraemon, Nobita, and the gang. She's Nobita's close friend and sometimes serves as the voice of encouragement when he faces challenges. Shizuka's kindness and empathy make her an essential part of the group dynamics. Sound design: to create a fitting sound for Shizuka, consider soft and gentle elements. Perhaps a soothing piano melody or the sound of rustling leaves in a garden. You could also incorporate a hint of nostalgia, as Doraemon has been a cherished part of many people's childhoods. Remember, capturing Shizuka's essence goes beyond just the visual. Her personality and emotions matter too. Whether it's through your sketch or the accompanying sound, aim to evoke the warmth and innocence that define her character. And hey, if you ever need more inspiration or want to chat about other creative projects, feel free to ask. you.